Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be going over even and odd number characteristics with sums and differences. This is something that we've already done in the classroom, so I'm going to go over kind of quickly, just review what we talked about. First we talked about the difference between an even and odd number. Okay, an even number is a number that always has, everyone in that number always has a partner. So for 2, you have 2 people, they each have a partner. For 4, you have 4 people, they each have a partner. 6, they each have a partner. Okay, when you have odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, there's always one person left without a partner. Okay? So when we're talking about even and odd numbers, always even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or any number that ends in one of those digits, such as 2018. It ends in an 8. 8 is even, so this number is 8. For odd, we're talking about numbers that end in or numbers that are or end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you have a number like 2019, that's going to be odd because we only look at the ending digit. This 2 doesn't matter. It's only the ending digit. Okay, so sometimes we take our even and our odd numbers and we have to add and we subtract them. And the cool thing is that there's always a pattern that you're going to follow when you're adding and subtracting even and odd numbers. So for instance, if you add an even plus an even number, okay, you're always going to get the same thing. And it's easy to figure it out because we can do examples, simple examples. For example, 2 plus 2, that equals 4. 4 plus 2, that equals 6. 10 plus 0, that equals 10. So whenever you add an even and an even number together, you're always going to get an even number, which makes sense. They all have partners. And in this even number, they all have partners in this even number. So the answer, when you combine them, everyone is going to have a partner also. Okay, what if you add, what about subtracting? What about subtracting an even minus an even? Well, that's going to be, let's just add that up here, even minus an even. So you have 8 minus 2, or 10 minus 0. So guess what? Yep, always, for both of them, even minus an even, or even plus an even, answer is always going to be even. Okay, moving on to the next one. What about odd numbers? What if we have an odd minus an odd, or an odd plus an odd? Let's try some examples. Sorry, I wrote that a little quickly. Okay, let's try some examples. We've got 3 plus 1. That's a 4. We have 2 plus 3. Sorry, that wouldn't work. We would have to do 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then we have, let's say, 9 plus 9 equals 18. So what do you see so far? Answers are all even. What if we subtracted? What if we did 9 minus 3? We get 6. What if we do 5 minus 3? We get 2. Okay, what if we do 1 minus 1? We get 0. Answers are always going to be even. Okay, odd plus odd is always even. Odd minus odd, always even. If it makes sense. An odd number means that there's one person left without a partner. This odd number means one person is left without a partner. Well, when you combine them, those 2 can become partners, right? Okay, makes sense. Okay, let's go on to I'm going to put it down here a little bit. Let's see, we did even and even, odd and even, and then what about even and an odd? Okay, Okay, so we do 6 plus 3. That's going to equal 9. We do a, let's do a 2 plus 1. That equals 3. We do a 4 plus 1. That equals 5. All of these numbers, odd. Makes sense. Any even number is always, they all have partners. Odd numbers, there's one person left without a partner. You combine them, there's still going to be one person without a partner. Okay? What if you do an even minus an odd? That would be 4 minus 3 equals 1. Or 8 minus 5 equals 3. Again, odd. What if we switch that around and do an odd minus an even? Okay? I'm going to have to just erase that. So to do my odd minus even, that would be 9 minus 4 equals odd. 3 minus 2, odd. Okay, so anytime you've got an odd and an even and an odd, even and an odd, okay, anytime then the two of them are mixed together, you're always going to get an odd number for your answer. Okay, so when you are taking a test and the test says, well, what's an even plus an even? Okay, that's nothing you need to memorize. Just try it out with some simple numbers. Okay, so it's asking you an even plus an even. If you don't remember, go ahead and test it out. Just plug in easy numbers. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh yeah, that's right. An even plus an even is always an even number. Odd plus even. I forget what she told us we do when this happens. So let's plug in simple numbers. Okay, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Yes, an odd plus an even is always going to be odd. Okay, so just plugging in simple numbers is going to help you solve any problem that asks you about sums and differences of even and odd numbers.